Hey!
Hey, welcome back my lovely people to another YouTube video. Today I'm in the kitchen and I will be making some carrot and guinness punch.
Great. Alright, nice. Okay, so tell me, what's the ingredients?
So the ingredients here, I have some carrots already cleaned and washed. I have a bottle of guinness stout. I have some condensed milk. I have the vanilla. I have some almond extract and I have the nutmeg right there.
Nice.
Okay, so here I'm going to put them in my juicer today. I don't feel like cutting up and I don't feel like blending anything. So I'm going to be putting them in the juicer.
It's very easy.
I'm just gonna cut these 2 more pounds.
Yeah, what happened, guys, is that she had 3 pounds of carrots and it wasn't enough juice. So she's adding more carrots. Yeah, it's about 2 more pounds. So
in total it's gonna be like 5 pounds of carrot.
And then you see, guys, she cuts the both ends.
You can also scrape them too, you know, if they don't want to peel.
Yeah, you just use a knife to scrape it?
Yeah, if they want to scrape it, you can do that.
Yeah, we just have a carrot peeler, so it's so much easier.
This is the second batch of carrots, so I'm gonna start juicing again. Because I don't like the consistency of this. And this can be used too if you want to make like carrot cakes and stuff like that.
You can use the pulp? Okay.
Yeah, the pulp to do that. That is so rich.
Yeah, it's just pure carrot juice.
So rich and nice that is. Also, this is my stout. A little bit of vanilla in there. Almond extract. I love this, it makes it taste so good.
She didn't measure, guys, so just use your judgment.
And then I'm gonna break out some nutmeg in here. Alright, so that's maybe about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Alright, so here I'm going in with my condensed milk now. And guys, some people like it sweet, some people don't, so you can just sweeten this to your taste. Let's see.
You don't need any more than a can because that's all she has. It's just a can. But
you
like,
sweeten to their taste.
yeah, you sweeten it to your taste.
So nice and rich with the stout. I'm gonna taste this to see if a little bit more milk. All right, that should do it because we don't like it too sweet.
You gonna taste it now, Mom?
Okay, one more time. And let's see. That should do it. Yes, perfect. That's good. So there you have it, guys. Carrot and Guinness pun. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think. Thank you.
It tastes good, Mom.